New tonight, a San Antonio mother is accused of orchestrating an attack against a John Marshall high school student. 38-year-old Amanda Lopez was arrested over the weekend for the incident. Police say it happened before school on October 27th. KENS 5's Vanessa Croy explains how the violence unfolded.
Amanda Lopez is accused of pistol whipping a teenage boy and then pointing a gun at bystanders who tried to intervene. And according to investigators, this wasn't a random attack. Is that him? Police say those were the words of 38-year-old Amanda Lopez as she drove her son to a parking lot near John Marshall High School, where a teenage boy was waiting for the bus to take him to school. This is all according to an arrest affidavit accusing Lopez of driving her son to attack a 15-year-old boy who told officers he didn't even know who she was. But for reasons we don't know, her son allegedly knew the other teen and the two started fighting. Police documents report that a witness jumped in to try to stop the brawl when Lopez allegedly pulled out a gun, threatening the Good Samaritan and the crowd to get back so the boys can continue fighting. The brawl finally ended when the boys got tired, officers say, but police say Lopez wasn't finished. According to the arrest warrant, the mom then approached the teen victim, telling him to go back to his country, saying, quote, "You can get shot here." The teen victim fought back, but police say Lopez pulled out her gun again and pistol whipped the boy in the head 3 times. The boy was only able to get away when the bus pulled up and the teen got on, finally able to escape the attack. Tonight, Lopez is facing charges of deadly conduct with a firearm and aggravated assault. She has since posted bond and will be back in court next month for a pretrial hearing. For now, reporting on the Northwest Side, Vanessa Croy, KENS 5.